Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is JSGuleriea and I'm back with another video for you guys. Guys, today I'm in Grand Views, one of the best communities in terms of villas in Meydan. Before we proceed further, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share my videos, and do not forget to hit that bell icon. Now let's start the tour. Meydan is one of the best locations to buy a property in Dubai. It is centrally located and a very prime location. You are just 10 to 12 minutes away from Burj Khalifa Dubai Mall. If I talk about the existing airport, you are around 20-22 minutes away. And when it comes to Jumeirah Beach and Burj Al Arab, it's just 18 to 20 minutes drive. Now let me take you inside a 6-bedroom independent villa. Follow me. These are 6-bedroom independent villas, which is G+2, and you also get the rooftop access. Now in this, you have all 6 bedrooms en suite, and you get a lift inside too. Coming on to the sizes, the built-up area of this villa is 6,000 square feet, and the plot is again 6,000 square feet. The price of this beautiful piece of property is around 12 million dirhams. Now this was all from my side, and I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and be safe.